Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an extended trend line in cTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open cTrader. Then you have to add a trend line. Okay. So go to this icon and click on trend line. Now, for example, this is our trend line. Now click on it, right click with your mouse and click on this one, extend to infinity. Okay. Now we have an extended trend line, but you have to go to this setting here and click on set as default. So the next time you add the trend line, you will get automatically an extended trend line. Okay, I think that you get the idea. So click on OK. Let's remove this one and let's add a new trend line. And now, as you can see, we have an extended trend line. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.